Hey, what's up guys, this is Shivak here and welcome back to my channel. And here I have the Acer Predator Helios 300 and I'm going to unbox it. I got it for deal from Flipkart for around 63k. So let's check what's in the box. So here is the box. As you can see, it's a premium material. It's a black box. So here is the seal. Let's cut open it. Here we go, we cut the box here. So here are two tabs that you need to pull while unboxing, and let's see what's in the box. So inside the box there are two more boxes, so let me take them out. So inside the box there are two more boxes, and with the envelope, let's open the envelope and see what's inside here. And here we have the setup guide and the Predator warranty information. So this is the setup card and it's written in Taiwanese. So let's get inside the box. Let's put up the envelopes aside. So let's check here in the box. Here we have the power brick along with the DC cord. This is the Indian type plug and the power brick. The power brick is really huge and it's a 48 watt hour battery and with the output of 19 volts at 7.1 amps. So here is the box. Let's remove the thermocol padding. So here is the box. Let's open it up. Wait a minute. So let's remove the tag, the seal. Okay, I'm pretty noob in this thing. So here we have to remove the seals. This is the Predator package, and whoa, here she is, the laptop, the Predator. Here we have a pull tab, and let's keep the laptop aside for the moment. Oops, sorry. So let's remove the seal or the packaging, and as you can see here, you have a red and white accent. Wow, this laptop feels heavy and awesome. So this is the laptop. It has a aluminum alloy finish and it's brushed. Here we have some red accents. Here are the ventilation, the vents. I don't know why this side is covered. Maybe it's for aesthetics. Here we have a USB Type-C port, an HDMI, a USB 3.1, and an SD card. And I'm not sure what's this. And also an Ethernet port. I'm sorry I didn't see that. Here we have two USB ports and a DC and a power supply port and a headphone jack. Apple. So here is the beauty. Here we have a thermocol padding, not a thermocol, it's like some sort of styrofoam. And here's some addendum for netbooks, and like it's just a, what do you say, instructions for first time boot up. Here as you can see, it's Intel Core i5 7th gen and the GeForce GTX 1060. And here we have the Aeroblade fan, Type-C port, and all the informations. Here you can see the keyboard. It's pretty nice, and the WASD keys have the red accents to it. Here is the touchpad that uses Windows Precision drivers. So let's turn on and see if this has some juice in it. So I've kept it for the charging, and here as you can see, this is the lighting effect, and Here, I'm sorry I didn't show you the booting process because it was off camera, but I will make sure that I will show you that again once the setup is done. So let me do the setup. The trackpad feels really good. So let's do the setup. I will meet you after this. So as promised, here is the booting screen. So here is my laptop, and as you can see there's some update already been done. So here as you can see you have the two recycle bin and Predator Sense software. Let's click on this, and as you can see this overlay appears, and here you can control the speed of the aeroplane fan, and here is the lighting of the thing. So as you can see the CPU fans are running at 2542 rpm and the GPU fan is running at 2912 rpm. CPU is at 59°C and GPU is idle for now. And here you have overclocking software, the normal, software, turbo, and you can overclock the GTX 1050 Ti, and also the fan control. That's amazing. And here the cool boost thing, I guess this also increases the fan with the discrete setting. So here are many other softwares like the Nvidia settings and the GeForce 1050 Ti. Okay, so I don't know what's it. And that was it, guys. So a quick little unboxing and the overview of the laptop that I bought recently. This is a really awesome laptop. So that was it, guys. Bye and have a great day.